Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, starting my series of videos on our 1993 911. This is a 964 Targa, and it's also the Carrera 4, so all-wheel drive. Targa and triple black, so as black as you can get on one of these cars, and it is gorgeous. Second time we've had this car in our dealership for sale. We love to have return business, and this car is a perfect example of that. I want to start with a cold start, so I'll do that now, and then I'll get the car out and do a walk around video and some outdoor shots too. Little high idle. This car does not smoke. This car does not leak any fluids. It is tip-top mechanical. And very pretty too. So yeah, look for my next videos. I'll link these together and talk soon. Hello again, Justin here. 93 964 Targa. I just wanted to walk around the car and show it off to you a bit. You know, we're looking at a car that's 30 plus years old. It's very original, and so you will see, if you get close, you will see some stone chipping in the paint. This is under harsh light, by the way, so you're gonna see everything. But a very, very clean and nice car. No dents to speak of, no door dings. The top is excellent. It seals perfectly. Tires are in great shape. This opens as it should, at speed or with the flip of a switch. As I mentioned in the comments, air does blow ice cold. All the options work as they should, and it is a wonderful driving car. I'm gonna go drive it right now, as a matter of fact, get it outside and do another walk around in more natural light so you can see that too. See you in a few. Hi guys, Justin again here. I just went and drove our 93 964 Targa, and I'm out here parked doing a natural light walk around. What a great driving car this is. You know, this is the generation of Porsche that Singer chooses to make their multi-million-dollar cars out of, and I can tell why. It's just right in so many ways, and it really is still the original 911, whereas I think the 993 kind of goes in a new direction. This is still very much the same car as it was in the 70s and maybe even 60s. Just a wonderful driving car. It's so connected to the road. The lines are so great. This particular car in triple black is just an awesome color combination. You know, the Targas in 964 are super rare. But they're really great. I really like this car, far better than the cabs. They're just a great looking car, and just so much fun to drive. Let's look at the inside too. I want to show that off a bit. The seats are great. The carpet is great in this car. Bolsters are nice. You know, the seats are worn, but they're worn in the right way, much like a leather jacket after you've had it for a while. Dash is nice. All the gauges are beautiful. You know, the nooks and crannies of this car are so nice. You know, there's no there's no monkey business going on with any of the areas that you don't see right away. The door cards are all in great shape. They're not pulling away from the body. Headliner's nice. I know it's tough to see out here, but it is nice. This is all perfect too. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this some more. I'm probably gonna take the top off. I'll do some top off pictures for you guys too. And yeah, if you have any questions about this car, want to know more particulars that I may have overlooked, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments, and I'll get more pictures or videos if you need them. But yeah, guys, good luck. Car ends in a few days, and we're real excited to meet the new owners. Thanks again.